Warren Buffett, born in 1930, transformed Berkshire Hathaway from a failing textile company into a $1 trillion conglomerate. Known for his value investing philosophy, Buffett built Berkshire through acquisitions like Geico and BNSF Railway. His annual shareholder meetings, dubbed Woodstock for capitalists, drew thousands. Despite his age, Buffett remained CEO until 2024, symbolizing stability. Berkshire's Class A shares, priced at over $600,000, reflected his unparalleled success. By the early 2020s, shareholders and media increasingly questioned Buffett's succession plans. At 94, Buffett faced mounting scrutiny about Berkshire's future leadership. Press conferences often featured evasive answers, fueling speculation. Analysts noted Berkshire's opaque succession policy, despite Buffett's assurances. The lack of transparency became a recurring theme, with investors demanding clarity. Greg Abel and Ajit Jain emerged as top contenders. Abel, overseeing non-insurance operations since 2018, was a hands-on leader with energy sector expertise. Jain, head of Berkshire's insurance division, was renowned for underwriting discipline. Internal reports suggested Abel was the favored candidate, but Buffett kept details private. The duo represented a blend of continuity and innovation. Behind closed doors, Berkshire's board debated succession rigorously. Confidential meetings focused on minimizing disruption and preserving Buffett's legacy. Directors reviewed Abel's performance metrics and leadership style. Buffett emphasized the need for a seamless transition, prioritizing stability over radical change. These discussions, though private, shaped the eventual announcement. In 2024, Buffett confirmed Greg Abel as a successor during Berkshire's annual meeting. The decision, long speculated, formalized Abel's role as CEO designate. Buffett praised Abel's capital allocation genius and work ethic. Financial headlines worldwide covered the news, highlighting Berkshire's preparedness. The announcement eased investor anxieties about post-Buffett uncertainty. Abel gradually assumed more responsibilities, from overseeing subsidiaries to representing Berkshire in deals. Buffett remained chairman, offering guidance but stepping back from day-to-day operations. Observers noted Abel's pragmatic approach, mirroring Buffett's principles while embracing modernization. The phased transition aims to ensure continuity and investor confidence. Berkshire's stock dipped 5% post-announcement, but stabilized quickly, reflecting investor trust in Abel. Analysts noted Berkshire's $348 billion cash reserves as a buffer against volatility. CNBC segments highlighted Abel's operational expertise and low-key demeanor. Long-term shareholders remained bullish, citing Berkshire's resilient business model and Abel's proven track record. Under Abel, Berkshire embraced subtle changes like tech-focused investor briefings and faster decision-making. While preserving Buffett's core values, Abel modernized communication strategies. Employees noted his collaborative style, contrasting Buffett's solitary approach. The shift signaled a new era without alienating traditionalists, balancing innovation with legacy. In a symbolic gesture, Buffett handed Abel a copy of Berkshire's annual report, endorsing his leadership. Buffett pledged to remain as chairman, but ceded operational control. His parting advice emphasized investing in people. The moment, captured globally, marked the culmination of a decades-long succession plan and Buffett's trust in Abel. Abel unveiled his vision for Berkshire: disciplined capital allocation, greener energy investments, and tech integration. His first solo shareholder address focused on long-term growth, echoing Buffett's principles while adapting to new challenges. Analysts praised his clarity, and Berkshire's logo received a subtle refresh, symbolizing evolution without erasing Buffett's legacy.